Good day, folks. It's the 18th of September, Monday the 18th, 2017, of course. And I got this parcel today. I've been waiting for this for a few days, maybe a week, and really pleased at what I got. If you've been following my little a series of videos which I've just started regarding the Kamasa socket set, I am proud to present one 10mm Kamasa socket, complete with Kamasa tools engraved on it. There's also the small recess at the bottom of the socket. The set I've got is an old set, okay, and I knew there would be differences. The engraving is much lighter. The font is much narrower in its thickness. It's a 3/8 socket, and it is a 12-point socket. So I'm really happy with that. That's going to be a good match. Not perfect, but a very good match considering the age of the socket. It's going to be a good match considering the age of the socket set I've got. So I'm pleased with that. The next is the 9/16. Again, it's got the line at the bottom of the socket. Unfortunately, there's no mention of Kamasa tools on it. So the guy I spoke with couldn't guarantee that it'd be an exact match with my set. They've got different kits now. Also, unfortunately, it's only a 6-point socket. I knew that was going to be the case in this instance, but that's going to be the only socket in the set that's 6-point. The rest will be 12-point. So yeah, what do you say, folks? Times have changed. We don't have the same quality of manufacturing excellence that we used to have out there in Japan and here in the UK. It's all imports from bloody China or Taiwan or India. Now, the 10mm socket is smaller, but it's heavier than the 9/16 socket. Go figure, eh? The next is a little 3-inch extension. Again, I'm delighted with receiving this, but I'll point out the finish on the chrome isn't quite as good as I would have expected. There's detents or indentations on the square, or the drive square. I don't know if you can see that there, leading me to believe that the material is quite soft, possibly. It's not been hardened correctly. The end of the square drive has not been machined. It's just it's like it's been snapped off. It's probably been some sort of guillotine that's just cut it to length. But yeah, it will do, And finally, we have the 6-inch extension as well. Now, surprisingly, not surprisingly, I shouldn't say that. I will note that the chrome is much higher quality on this one, much better condition. The square drive shows no sign of damage. And well, the end of the drive does show the same type of manufacturing technique to part that off or to cut that off, or whatever they've used has been done in the same way, but the plating seems to be much thicker and heavy, better quality. But again, there's no indication of Kamasa anywhere on the tool body. It's just, oops, it's just blank, generic. Now, I'm not surprised. We have a company called Tool Connection, who I believe are the owners of Kamasa. They seem to have a connection with Laser, Kamasa, Gunson, Eldon, Powertech and Connect. So Kamasa has been absorbed by this, I don't know what the right term would be, conglomerate, I guess, corporation possibly, I don't know. But I'm pleased with what I've got. Yeah, you know, it will suffice. It's a small set. It's not going to be doing heavy duty work. It's just for little jobs. Slightly not disappointed. Disappointed sounds like I'm not satisfied. I find it unfortunate that I couldn't gotten a 12mm socket. I might actually try and source another 12mm socket with, no, sorry, it's not a 12mm socket, it's a 9/16 socket. I'm a little bit not disappointed, but a little bit miffed, maybe, that the 9/16 socket is only a 6-point socket. I prefer the traditional 12-point socket. Yeah, they're just easier to fit over the head of a nut or a bolt head or anything. I haven't actually researched this. I don't know why we're doing 6 points now. Are they stronger? Do they prevent slipping? You know, are they better in that respect? I don't know. But I just, maybe it's a little bit OCD that I want all the sockets to be the same, you know. And this one's not going to be, so I might look into getting another one from another source. But then, of course, how can I match it, unless I get a second-hand Kamasa socket from somewhere. I'll keep my eye open for them, because I reckon that they will be knocking around. So yeah, I was going to only do this for 5 minutes. It's already coming up for 10, folks. So I'll leave it at that. So that's, the set is now complete in a sense, not entirely a Kamasa tools. In fact, I've only got one item there which has the Kamasa tools logo stamped on it. The rest all seem to be a sort of generic brand, but hey, it's better than nothing, eh? And I tried. So that's all for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll have more videos in the future on the refurbishment of the socket set and any other little projects I'm doing around the house. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.